The new Maruti Suzuki Baleno has been launched in India at a starting price tag of Rs 5.45 lakh ex-showroom. As with the outgoing model, the new Baleno will come in both petrol and diesel engine options. Maruti Suzuki has updated the new Baleno Facelift with new interior and safety features along with two new exterior color options. Engine options remain the same with a 1.2-litre K-series petrol engine and a 1.3-litre diesel unit paired with a 5-speed manual and an optional CVT transmission in petrol trims. Speaking of the Baleno, Maruti Suzuki Baleno RS facelift has also been unveiled, and with this, Maruti's fastest hatchback has received a number of styling and interior upgrades. Under the bonnet, however, the Baleno RS remains the same with a 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine which makes 101 bhp and 150 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission. Unlike the standard Baleno, the Baleno RS gets disc brakes at the rear as well. Maruti is expected to announce prices soon. South Korean automaker Kia Motors has begun a trial production of its upcoming SP2i SUV at its Anantapur production facility in Andhra Pradesh. The upcoming Kia SP2i SUV will be launched in India in July this year at a price tag expected to range from Rs 9 lakh to Rs 16 lakh ex-showroom. Kia Motors say that after the launch of its first vehicle in India, 3 new products will be launched, one every 6 months. Maruti Suzuki has launched 3 accessory kits for the new 2019 Wagon R launched recently at Rs 4.19 lakh ex-showroom. The 3 accessory kits, categorized as Playtime, Robust and Casa, offer different combinations of design and styling features allowing customers to personalize. Prices of Tata Hexa have been increased to Rs 12.99 lakh for the base trim, which is a significant increase of about 42,000. The Hexa's top trim was priced under Rs 18 lakh previously, but the top shelf variant retails now at a price tag of Rs 18.16 lakh ex-showroom. Moving to motorcycles now, and there is good news. KTM India is expected to launch the new 790 Duke in March this year. The 790 Duke will be the most expensive KTM in the country, but then it will be the most powerful as well. The new 790 Duke will be powered by an exclusively built 799cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that develops 104 bhp and 86 Nm of torque. This will be KTM's first ever parallel twin engine and is likely to be paired with a 6-speed gearbox. And now motorcyclists rejoice. It has been scientifically proven that riding reduces stress levels. A neurobiological study funded by Harley-Davidson has confirmed the physical benefits of riding motorcycles. Researchers recorded participants' brain activity and hormone levels before, during and after motorcycling, driving a car and resting. While riding, participants had an increase in adrenaline levels and heart rate as well as a decrease in cortisol metrics, which basically means a reduction in stress.